How to choose voices in Suno AI. In this video, I will show you how to select between male and female voices step by step. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Open Suno AI and start a new project or load an existing one. And then once you're inside the dashboard, go to the voice settings. Step 2. Look for the voice or singer drop-down or the persona, and then you will find a list of different voice presets that are categorized as male or female. But you need a pro plan to access it. Step 3. Select your preferred voice type. For example, you might see names or labels like male vocal A or female vocal B. Step 4. Preview the voice by generating a short sample. This way you can check the pitch, tone, and overall style before finalizing. Step 5. Save your choice and proceed with creating your song. You can always return and switch voices if the track does not fit perfectly. And now, that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.